Jamie from OEM Denied Performance has brought in an Xtreme flywheel for a flywheel machine. The advantages of an Xtreme flywheel is it's a single mass, so the kit is actually rebuildable. You can put another clutch kit to it and we can do a machine. With the dual mass you can't, it's actually a throwaway item. So what we're going to do today is give you a quick video of me machining this. So now we've got to remove the dowels from the flywheel before we can put it on the machine. The dowels help the pressure plate locate and give it extra support for when the car's running. So you need a dowel puller to get these ones off. Sometimes they're a little bit tighter than other flywheels. And that's how they pretty much come out. We'll do the other ones and then we'll take it over to the machine. Now we've got the flywheel bolted to the machine. I'm running a back spacer, so it basically replicates the back of the crank, and it seems like it's actually on the car. You can machine these things on flat. Some people do it. I don't like it because there is sometimes dirt and grease on the bed, and you basically want it clean as all your clean surfaces, and then you dial it in on your outside and on the inside just so you can get everything central, and you're going to get the best true machine and a good cut with it all. So I'll bring the diamond stone over onto the face that runs the clutch plate. We'll bring it down, we'll run the flywheel up. Always making sure you got your safety guard on and safety glasses. You don't want one of these stones to basically blow up in your face. It's not pretty. We'll start the stone. Usually like to put a little bit of coolant on there to keep the job nice and cool while you're cutting it. So you can see the stone trying to cut evenly and get rid of all the hard spots, clean the surface where the clutch plate has been burning and leaving all that residue. So now we've finished the clutch plate side of things. We've gone down about 5 divisions on the machine. So I now will bring the head up to where the pressure plate bolts down, and we'll have to go down 5 divisions on that face as well, just so we make them completely even to where they were in factory. keeping in mind this face is a lot easier to machine. It hasn't had the clutch plate riding on it. It's a fresh face. There's really no run out on it. So it'll take a lot less time than where the pressure plate runs on. So that's it, we'll get it off the machine and then we'll have a bit of a look at it and hit the dowels in. As you see, it's good to go, no more hotspots, all ready for a new Xtreme clutch kit. We'll just chuck the dowels in and we'll throw it in the car.